Hello again. Today we're going to have a look at manipulating the newly minted Cigna download. So this is the old One Path Life. We have our new best friend at Cigna, Stefan Rajwa, who is now emailing these out on a monthly basis. The intention is, as far as I'm aware, that Cigna have a new advisor portal on the way for next year, and the intention is to move this process to the to the portal, so that you can actually log in there and drag in a file anytime you like. But at the moment, this is going to be emailed to you. So the file comes in an email, but the problem with using it in eBroker is that because Cigna's American, the file is password protected. So as we have done with the AIA download, we need to manipulate the file and remove the password. So what I'm going to do first is create a folder that I can manipulate this in. So I'm on my desktop, I'm going to right click, choose new and folder, and we're going to call it Cigna, not capital, Cigna download. See, I'm a bloke, I can't multitask. So there we have our new folder. Nice and neatly, I'll arrange that here, and we are going to drag our incoming file, copy it from the email or wherever you've got it stored into that folder. Plop, there it is. So we're in the Cigna download folder. We have the pykit.zip inbound. Now we now need to create a password file, because this is password protected, and the password convention is the broker code, which in this case is Pykit. Yours will be different, with the addition of 123 on the end of that, but the 1 is an exclamation mark. So again, I'm going to right click, I'm going to go new, I'm going to go text document, I'm going to rename that password, enter. I'm going to open that up, and then I'm going to type in here PYKETT. Now yours will be different. Exclamation mark 23, and save that. Save. So there we've got the password in there. Open it up again. There it is. So to manipulate the file and take off the password, first of all, you will copy in the file from your email over the top of the existing one once we're a month or so down the track with this process. You'll then open up the password text and swipe that and copy it to the clipboard. I'm using Control-C because I'm a bit of a smart ass with keyboard shortcuts. So we can then close that because we've got it on the clipboard. I then right click on the file, and we've got a utility installed called 7-zip. You might have WinZip, doesn't really matter what you use. We find WinZip is probably the easiest to drive, and it's free just like WinZip. But yeah, download and install a zip utility file if you haven't already got one. So we will simply say yes, we want to extract to here. We've got the password on the clipboard, so I'm just going to go Control-V and paste that in there, click OK, and the system works. It unzips the contents, which is client details.csv, policy details.csv, and benefit details.csv. It's important that you check the dates of these when you, again, when you're a month down the track, you want to make sure that you have in fact unzipped the file correctly and that you've got the current contents rather than last month's contents that were sitting in there with obviously a different date. Or if you've cocked the whole thing up, there might be files in there, but they'll be actually empty. Okay, so we've got to the goodies inside. We now need to rezip those. So simply hold down Control, click the first one, benefit details, client details, and policy details. So there we've got the 3 files that we want to work with, and we're now going to rezip those, of course, without the password. Right click, 7-zip, add to archive, it gives you the default name of the folder, Cigna download. The default format is zip rather than .rar or .tar. Simply click OK, and it zips those contents or those 3 files together into Cigna download zip. Again, check the date, make sure you're working with the right file, and that file is now ready to use in eBroker. So you can right click, copy that, go down to import shortcut, open it up, and it's still called OnePath Life, and simply paste in over the top of whatever file was there last time. Again, check the date, make sure you have actually pasted over the top and you're not working with last month or last year's file. And then you can simply run that through the front end of eBroker as you would normally do. So pretty simple, just a question of taking off the password and rezipping the contents. Hope that's helped, and happy downloading. Thanks for watching.